Dear student, in the last lecture of MWM, that is ninth lecture for the unit 5 and 6, assembly drawing, we have discussed about the non-return wall, its position, the parts of the non-return wall, its functions. What is the basic shape of the solid? It is a hollow cylindrical shape, thus internal and external diameters are changed. It is a vertical assembly. We have studied all the three-dimensional figure. We have understood it. We have drawn. We have to know the orthographic position where the part is fixed. Now today we will draw its assembly. Now this is the figure. That is first part is a body. It is made up of cast iron and it is a one-off. It is a vertical assembly. This is the vertical center line. First I will draw the vertical center line. According to our rule, according to our logic, first you have to draw this. What is the base diameter? That is 170. What is the total height? 270. What is the total length, diameter of the upper portion, top portion? That is 225. First vertical center line we have to draw. We draw the first vertical center line. What is the base portion? That is 170. What is the total height? Here they are given 270. Take a total distance 270. What is the diameter? 225 is the diameter. I have taken 225 diameter. Now I will draw just what is the total height of this base, that is thickness 25 mm, 25 mm. At the upper portion here is also 25 mm and 25 mm. Now another center line we will place it here. From the base, they have given the center line that is 180 mm from the base at 180 mm. I will draw the another center line. Now we will create a logic that is first, what is the diameter? This is 70 mm diameter. What is the height of this 70 mm? This is the internal step, that is the internal hollow diameters. First diameter is 70 mm from the base. What is its height? 50. This is 70 mm, 35 mm on the other side. What is the height? 55 mm. What is the height? 55 mm. This is the first part. This is logic. Now what is this diameter? 85 mm. What is its height? Its height is 80 mm. I will mark 80 mm. From this 80 mm, what is the diameter here? 85 mm. 42.5 on the other side. Here is the height. What is its height? 80 mm. Now what is this diameter? Look at it here. What is this diameter? It is 100 mm. For what length? For 10 mm height. Just I will draw. Okay, now you look at it here. What is the diameter? That is 120 mm. For the length, we have left 10 mm here. What is the diameter for 10 mm? That is 110 mm. I will mark on either side. What is the depth of hole? 110 mm. And I have just drawn a line here. Okay. Next, what is the diameter? Internal diameter next to this is 120 mm. Just I will mark 120 mm on the either side. 60, 60. And I will draw the straight line. Here also 60, 60. Here I will draw the curve. This is a straight line. Only this much portion we have to draw it here. Now, what is this thickness? Is 13 mm. 13 mm. At this point, I will mark it at 13 mm, and at this point, I will mark 13 mm. I will draw this line. From this point. Just I will draw the vertical line here. Maintaining, here is a 15 mm. We have to mark 15 mm point here, and we have to draw the line. The curves can be drawn with the hands. Here is also the 15 mm. From this point 15 mm. Vertical line, and this line is completed. Similarly, at this point, the same dimensions, curve, 15 mm, curve, vertical line. Now, how to draw this portion? That is outlet. What distance they have given from the center line? 168 mm. What is the diameter? 170 mm. I will mark 168 mm. I will mark the point here at 160 mm. What is the diameter? 170. 170 means divided by 2. 2 8 is 16. 85 mm on the other side. 85 mm. I will draw the straight line here. What is the thickness here? 20 mm. What is the thickness of the this cylinder? Horizontal cylinder is 15 mm. Just I will take from what is the internal diameter is 70 mm. This is the 70 mm internal diameter. 35. Just I will draw the straight line here. What is the thickness? 15 mm. 15 mm on either side. Here we have to join by the hands, by the free hand. What is the thickness? It is 20 mm thickness. This is 20 mm thickness. Mark it. Just we have completed. And what is the hole? What is the pitch circle diameter? At 175 mm. Be 4 holes of M16 means 8 mm radius. 175 mm, half of distance I will mark it at this side, half of this side I will draw the center line. Eight mm on the other side, diameter is M16. Just in this way we have to complete the body. Now here you have to draw the curve. Now the second part which is fitted, that is the wall seat, where it is fitted at this position. If you look at here, what is the external diameter? 85 mm. This is the external diameter 85 mm, that is hollow. This is the hollow cylinder. External diameter 85. What is the length? Height 40. What is this diameter? That is 100 mm. Now, I will mark this point for our remembrance. 1 1. Remember, I have learned it is a vertical assembly. Center line is common, and I will mark it here 1 1. 1 1. Okay, I will mark it here 1 1. This line is common to both the line. So, this is the 1 1 line. What is the total length? 10 mm. Okay. What is the total height of this? It is 15 mm. So, there will be a external, this is a 10. Here they have given 10. And this is a common line. We have marked it now. This is a common line. What is the height they have given? It is resting. These edges are resting. What is the height? 15. What is its height? Hollow 10 mm. So 5 mm extension here. 5 mm extension here will be given. Now we will draw this line. And what is the height below? This is the extension. What is the height? 40 mm. This is from here 40 mm. 15. Radius 85. What is the total length? This is the 40 mm. Now what they have given? Extension at 4 mm. At a height of 4 mm, we have to draw the extension at a 4 mm we have to draw the extension. Now what is the total diameter? Internal diameter here. Internal diameter is 70 mm. Just from this here, take 35 mm at this side, 35 mm this side. Just draw the line. Just we have completed the wall sheet. Now this wall is fitted in the wall sheet, or it is rest on the wall sheet. So what is the internal diameter? 70 mm. Where it should be rest? It should be rested at this edge. At this edge. So this line, this second line, I will name it as 2, 2. And here the line, I will name it as 2, 2. So I will draw the same figure at this point. This is the line where extension we have given to it. Okay. Here is 70 mm. The same figure I have to draw here. What is the bottom distance? 65 mm. What is the bottom distance? 65 mm. Just add from this line, mark it as 65 mm. "70 mm is common, so I will just extend it here. This is inclined portion. Now this is here. What is the diameter? That is the 80 mm. This is the 80 mm diameter inclination. Here one more line is drawn. What is the flat distance? That is 4 mm. We have taken 4 mm inclination. Flat distance is, here is the flat distance. That is 8 mm. Vertical flat distance 8 mm. What is the diameter? 80 mm. Again inclination. What is the length? From this point, it is 28 mm. From this point, 28 mm. Here I will mark it. What is the diameter? 26, 13, 13 on either side. What is the flat height? 3 mm. Again the inclination. The second part. And we have remained this is 6 mm. That has the flange wedges. 3 mm, 3 mm on either side. This is the second part. This wall will have a movement vertically up and down. This is the third part we have to complete. Now it is a cover plate of a cylindrical shape. Where its position, I will give the number. We have completed 2, 2. Okay, now we will give a 3, 3 number. At this assembly, this is line 3, 3. Okay, now I will give the number here, this line. this line as 3, 3. Only just line overlap on it, and we will draw the same figure. It is a cylindrical shape. So what is the diameter? That is, I will mark it here. First line, that is the overlap line, same line. Okay. Now next, what is the total height? 26. We have to move 26 mm at the top side. Draw a horizontal line. Now we have to extend this center line also. Where this it is fitted, this hole is also extended here. What is this length? Its parts. I will draw this baseline here, overlap line. It will rest in this hollow portion. Just complete it here. Now, look at this figure. Here, what is the total length below this extension? That is 53. I will mark a 53 length here. What is the diameter? What is the diameter? 30 mm. Same as this diameter 30 mm, 15 mm on the either side. And I will just now look at this figure. Total flat straight line for 30 mm diameter. Now what is this radius at 90 mm? That is 50 mm. This 90 mm here. I will mark it at here. Okay. Now what is the total length? Here, the inclination they have given from this base 20 mm. We will mark 20 mm. Okay, now we will fit the studs. So we will fix a stud here. What is the total shank length? 16 mm is M16. Only threaded portion is in this body. Okay, now threaded portion is body. What is length? 50. This is the 25 and this is the 25. Total length 50. And just we have to add here. This is a 15 mm head, hexagonal. Its shape it is. Stud is fitted here. 25, 25. This is threaded portion 25. And if you extend, what is the height? 15 mm they have given. Just complete it here. Extend this part. In this way, we have completed the front view, sectional front view of the non-return wall. Here it is the figure. We have completed this dimension, section line. In next lecture, we will draw the section line and top view. How to draw the top view, we have to understand it. Okay, thank you.